Hello students, welcome back to the next module of our chapter called electromagnetic induction. Now students, in this particular module, we'll continue with the MCQs which are based on transformer, right? So let us start with the first MCQ of our module. It says an ideal transformer has primary and secondary coils of 200 turns and 40 turns respectively. If the current in primary coil is 3 ampere, then the value of current in the secondary coil will be, and the options are option A 10 ampere, option B 15 ampere, option C 1.5 ampere, and last option is 5 ampere. Now let us analyze this. Over here we are provided with ideal transformer which is having primary turns as 200 and secondary turns as 40 turns. So I can write value of NP, it is 200, and the value of NS, it is equal to 40. Now we are also provided with the value of current in the primary coil. What is the value of current in primary coil? It is 3 ampere. Then what we are supposed to find? Here we are supposed to find the value of current in the secondary coil, that is IS. Right? So let us start with the solution. Now again we'll be using the basic equation of transformer, that is IS upon IP, it is equal to NP upon NS. Right? We are supposed to find out the value of IS. We know value of IP, it is equal to 3 ampere. Right? We also know value of NP, it is equal to 200. Right? And lastly, we also know the value of NS, which is equal to 40. Right? So let us substitute these values. So what will I get? I'll get IS upon 3, it is equal to 200 upon 40. Right? So I can cancel out 40 and 200 as 1 times and 5 times. Right? So I'll transfer 3 on right hand side. So what will I get? IS, it is equal to 5 into 3 and it is equal to 15 amperes in this particular situation. So which option is matching? Yes, option B is the correct answer in this particular situation. Right? Now let us move further. Now over here we are provided with number of turns in the primary and secondary coil of transformer which are 100 and 300 respectively. Right? If a 50 volt 50 hertz AC supply is applied to primary coil of transformer, then potential difference per turn of the secondary. Right? So over here we are supposed to find potential difference per turn of secondary. And the options are option A 10 volt per turn, option B 0.5 volt per turn, option C 1.5 volt per turn, and last option is 15 volt per turn. Right? Now let us analyze this. Here we are provided with number of turns in primary as well as in secondary coil. So therefore I can say value of NP and NS, it is equal to 100 and 300 respectively. Now here we are provided with 50 volts 50 hertz supply across primary. That means we are provided with value of VB which is equal to 50 volts. Right? And what we are supposed to find? Here we are supposed to find potential difference per turn across secondary coil. That means we are supposed to find Vs upon Ns, which is nothing but potential difference per turn across the secondary coil. Right? So let us start with the solution. Now again we'll be using basic equation of transformer. We know the basic equation. It is Vs upon Vp, it is equal to Ns upon Np. So let us rearrange. So after rearranging we'll get Vs upon Ns, it is equal to Vp upon Np. Right? Now we are supposed to find out the value of Vs upon Ns. Right? We know value of Vp. What is value of Vp? The value of Vp is 50 volts. And we also know value of Np. What is value of Np? The value of Np is 100 volts. And on substituting we'll get 50 upon 100 which is equal to 0.5 volt per turn. So which option is matching? See carefully. Yes, option B is the correct answer in this particular situation. Right? Now let us move further. Let us start with the third MCQ. It says in relation to a transformer, the relation NP upon NS, it is equal to 10. It indicates that option A, the secondary voltage is 10 times the primary voltage. Option B, the primary current is 10 times the secondary current. Option C, there are 10 turns in primary and only 1 turn in secondary. And last option, for every 10 turns in primary, there is only 1 turn in secondary. Now students, see carefully. Here we are provided with the value of NP upon NS and it is equal to 10. And what is NP upon NS? It is nothing but turns ratio. Right? So I can say as the value of NP upon NS, it is equal to 10. So I can say for every 10 turns in primary, there is only 1 turn in the secondary coil. And which option is matching? Yes, option D is matching. That is, for every 10 turns in primary, there is only 1 turn in the secondary coil. Right? So students, again in this particular module we have covered few MCQs which are related to the concept of transformer. That's it for this particular module. See you in the next module. Till then, keep learning.